Cool. Yeah, I just didn't know if the product was getting like throttled by Facebook or not, because it's kind of, there's a lot of negative comments on it. It's kind of one of those like what's the word I'm looking for here? Controversial type products. I didn't know if they just like throttled the product.
Yeah. So on the topic of throttling products, the best way to see if they do that is yes, high CPMs. But what you want to do is you want to see the chart and see if CPM just sort of jumped up out of nowhere. So let's go ahead and view chart on that campaign. And then we should see if there's a drop down, and I want to see the chart on CPM. So on the purchases or cost per results, can you sort of change that? Not custom. And then change actions to CPM.
Doesn't seem to.
Scroll down, maybe. Nothing underneath.
No, it's not letting me go any further.
Interesting.
Let me see. No. Is reach? Is that saying anything?
Let's try reach. So reach, what you can do is if you see reach go very down and it's spending the same amount, that's sort of what's happening when it's throttled. But right now the reach is pretty stable. You could check the amount spent versus, so yeah, makes sense. The day when you spent more, you got more reach. The days you spent less, you got less reach. If this campaign or product got throttled, the amount spent would stay the same, but your reach would go down drastically, meaning your CPM rose. So that's one way to find sense. If you got throttled. Another way is finding the ad quality. So you could go to the ads within this campaign, the 6 ads. You could select all 6 and then go to the ads. So, yep, that works, I think. Yep, perfect. And then I think you can add in a column. So edit the columns and add in a column. Search quality. Quality ranking, perfect. Apply. Now let's take a look at the quality. So everything says average, so that's good. If the quality is low or bad, that means the ad isn't performing well. And when the ad doesn't perform well, it's basically saying that, hey, your ad isn't, the people that your ad is being shown to, they're not happy with it, the quality is low. Facebook is going to start showing your ad less because it's giving the Facebook audience a bad experience because they're giving bad comments, etc. Hence, we're going to increase your CPMs and make it more expensive and lower your reach. So that's strategy 2 on how to go ahead and see if your product has been throttled.
Okay, yeah, that makes a lot of sense.